Today is not pancakes and eggs, but rather oats porridge for this weekend's food. Well, today's Sunday, and I just had a feeling for porridge, so this is what I'm making. It has a lot of water, but it is still a little bit thick, and I just threw more water in it. But it's delicious, sweet, not too fresh. Well, not too sweet, not too fresh, but yeah, this is what I'll be eating. Plus I have some boiled eggs already in the sink. So these are my boiled eggs. I boiled 3 eggs. The water is still warm, and this is my food. Big up.